my stamping friends, it's Jackie Ballheis from Klompen Stampers. Actually, today I'm talking about Creativate, so I'm Jackie from Creativate as well. I am here just to do a quick video to let you know that registration is now open for our winter 2023 retreat. I am so excited to get this party started with our retreats. Do you know this is our 12th one that we're going to do? We started doing these retreats every quarter back in 2020, and we've continued it every 3 months since because you all love them and we love doing them. So I think we're hooked on doing these retreats. Now, if you've attended a retreat before, you know the drill, you know how it works. But if you have never attended one of our retreats, I want to share just a little bit of information with you to let you know what this online stamping retreat is all about. So the important dates, beginning today through Sunday the 18th is what we call early bird registration. You want to register during this time period because we have bonus tutorials for you. And that's what this is all about, giving you as many card making and stamping and crafting tutorials as possible. So registration opens now through Sunday for early bird, but then you can keep registering after that if it's past that early bird deadline. But then our fun actually kicks off on Monday, December 19th. I like to think of this as a month-long retreat. Every Monday leading up to the retreat, so that's for 4 Mondays, we are going to share with you a stamping challenge. Now, stamping challenges can be looked at one of two ways. One, it can kind of inspire you to try something new and different that maybe you've never tried before, or it's just another tutorial, because with each challenge, we give you a tutorial that has 3 projects that we've made to inspire your creativity. So you can just look at it, hey, a tutorial, let me go make something off of it, or you can try it from a challenge. So once a week, you get that leading up. Now, if it's after we've started those and you register, no problem, you still get all the tutorials. So we start those, and then the actual retreat itself is January 13th and 14th. We kick off at 6 p.m. Friday night on the 13th with our first live stamping presentation, and then all day on Saturday, January 14th. So much fun. I've seen the projects. You don't want to miss them, just saying. Now, if those dates don't work for you, no problem at all, because the beauty of our online stamping retreat is everything is recorded, so you can either watch it live or you can watch it recorded. And if you don't like watching like recorded lives where there's all the chit chat and interaction, we even do a second recording for you that is just a much shorter video that really just gets to the project itself. So I like to say you do the retreat your way. Over the course of the retreat, let's see, I did the math. I think it's 36 different project tutorials that you get, step-by-step instructions for 36. Plus, we have 32 door prizes we're giving away, and there's some good ones. Now, everyone is entered into the door prize if you register, so it doesn't matter if you're, present live or not. You still have the opportunity to register. Now, how do you get all of this stuff? Well, it's virtual, it's online. You get to do it from the comfort of your own home. So what we do on Thursday, prior to the retreat starting on the 13th, so that'd be January 12th, I will actually upload all the tutorials, all the pre-recorded videos, all the links for the lives, everything onto what I call the retreat website. It will be a 1-page website. I call it the Retreat Hub, that is where you will find everything. So once you register, you get the link to that. And then all you need to do is go over there and get all that stuff on Thursday prior to the retreat. And also starting on Monday when we start sharing those challenges, those are there as well. Make it easy peasy for you to participate and get all the creative inspiration that we share with you. Now, we also have a private Facebook group that is 100% optional. We use that group only as a place for retreat attendees to share what they make with the challenges, and then what they make with the projects that we share as well. Like I said, completely optional. You're really not missing anything if you're not on Facebook. But if you are on Facebook, join that group, share what you make, and see all the hundreds and hundreds and thousands of projects that get shared over there by all the retreat attendees. So let's see. I think that's it. I just wanted to hop on here real quick and share with you that registration is now open. I would love it if you would register and join me for the Winter 2023 Creativate Retreat. Come have fun and be inspired. If you have any questions at all, what this retreat is all about, how does it work, how does this and that happen, make sure to leave a comment or reach out to me. And then also in the link of this video, you will, there will be a link in this video description that will send you over to my website where you can register. Register today so you don't forget and get in on those early bird tutorials. So I look forward to sharing with you all through the whole month leading up to the retreat with those challenges, and then lots of fun happening on January 13th and 14th. We'll see you there. Register today. Have a safe, happy day.